Can you turn the windshield wipers on, please? Faster. Yeah, get your camera out if you can. Dude, that might be a big tornado.
That's a tornado.
I'm looking.
I see the left and right.
I'm looking. I think I do too. Dude, that's a big tornado.
Report.
No. I'm
trying to get up on this hill here.
Oh, it's so hard. Come on. Come on. Keep going, Steven.
Turn.
Is that a tornado? Oh my God, is that a tornado?
That's a tornado.
Holy shit, that's a nice tornado. No, we need a view. We need a view. Keep
I'm
going.
trying to get a view.
I know. Oh my God, dude, that's a beautiful tornado. Holy shit, dude.
I'm trying to get a view.
I know. Right here, man. Right here. Wow. That is a large tornado. Large tornado on the ground. Stay right here.
Yeah, I'm staying right here.
That's probably a strong tornado.
Goddamn thing. I hate you.
Yeah, dude, here it goes.
Yep, there we go.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Oh my God, dude, that was over us. Just keep going, man, keep going. Oh my God. I am. I got it. Keep filming to the left. Multiple tornadoes on the ground at the same time. Look at that multi-vortex. Cone coming down. Yep, we have a cone coming down.
Can you pull up here?
Sure, if you can get a good view. It's going to be coming right towards us. We have a cone coming down. It's a little bit scuddy right now, Steven, so we might want to keep a little bit ahead of it. Look at the core. Look at the color. Wow. I love you! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tornado 5. Look at that motion. Those guys are all missing it. Beautiful. Yep. It's not quite there yet. It looks like Ellis County. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Pull up a little bit more.
Tornado number 6.
Tornado 6 today, at least. Beautiful. Looks like Ellis County.